Hey there! Today we're diving into an interesting problem that involves some unexpected behavior when working with byte arrays and lists in Python. The problem arises when attempting to convert a list of zeros into either a byte array or bytes object. Surprisingly, the performance varies significantly between the two, with byte array LST proving to be faster than bytes LST, despite the common expectation. Now, let's talk about the solution to this intriguing problem. The performance gap between byte array LST and bytes LST can be attributed to the implementation differences in CPython. While byte array benefits from a fast path optimization for creation from a list, bytes does not have the same optimization. This results in bytes LST being comparatively slower due to the need for multiple pylist_get_item calls to obtain each list item. In an effort to enhance the performance of creating bytes from a list, a refactor was proposed. The refactor code showcased in the PR number 128214 led to a remarkable 81% increase in performance, making the creation of bytes more efficient. The benchmark using Python m timeit in 100s equals 40*100,000 bytes say demonstrates this improved performance. Subsequently, comparing the refactored bytes creation against constructing a byte array, the refactored bytes creation proves to be faster. This showcases the positive impact of the optimization introduced in the PR number 128214. To wrap it up, the optimization in the latest Python PR has addressed the performance disparity between byte array and bytes creation from a list, leading to significant speed improvements. It's fascinating to see how these optimizations can enhance the efficiency of Python functions. Keep coding efficiently, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts and queries. Happy coding!